Addiction services are important as ever right now for people seeking advice, treatment, care, and recovery. Kevin Hallett, a communications rep from the BC Centre of Substance Abuse, says it's also important that substances like alcohol, marijuana, and even illicit drugs are available to users during this time.
Those would be considered essential services because the risk of people not being able to access that can have deadly consequences. And if suddenly they're forced to go cold turkey, that there can be some, terrible health outcomes for them, sometimes dangerous withdrawal.
Kevin says with the added stress of a worldwide pandemic, it can be extra difficult for people to manage their substance abuse.
People just need to be mindful at this time about what they're consuming and how much and how they're coping with the types of anxiety that all of us are feeling these days.
Richard, a longtime member of AA in the Peace, says some in-person meetings are no longer happening. He's hoping people who rely on the meetings make use of other resources.
When a newcomer comes to a meeting, we give them a lot of phone numbers. We can't really start up another meeting or anything. All we can do is hope that these people, when they've got a problem, that they will contact somebody that they have a phone number from.
Richard knows what it's like to struggle with addiction and says without meetings, it can be difficult for people who are just beginning their recovery.
I'm concerned, as a member myself, as an alcoholic. I've been sober a long, long time, and if I feel sorry for myself and got a little thirsty, I'd probably be dead in a very short time. Probably drink myself to death. It's just the way alcohol works.
Richard says some meetings are now being held on Zoom, an online site which allows video conference calls. The local AA phone number is 250-785-8866. And for more information on addiction services in the Peace, you can visit the Northern Health website. Bailey Nitti, CJDC-TV News, Dawson Creek.